Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through initial app setup for the Mova Z60 UItra Roller Complete. If you're interested in the Z60 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, head over to your app store, download the Mova Home app available for iOS and Android devices. Once you have it downloaded, sign in or create an account. We're signed into our account where we can view all of our devices from the main home screen. But in this case, we want to add our new device. So top right-hand corner, hit that plus icon. We're prompted to scan a QR code. If you don't want to scan it, in the bottom right-hand corner, there's an add. You can manually add it that way. But we're going to open up our cover and we're going to scan our code. Boom, there we go. We're taken to this screen where we can connect to our Wi-Fi. You might have a locations permission screen too. You can go ahead and accept that. Then you'll have your Wi-Fi connection, so make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Enter your password, select Next. Now turn on the device. Our device has already been turned on, but if not, hold down the power button, place it into the base station. We're going to select Next. Now release the hotspot, so press and hold the spot clean button and dock button at the same time for 3 seconds.
Waiting for the network configuration.
So we got the network config, we've heard it, select Next. Device hotspot connection. So now we want to go ahead and join the hotspot by connecting or clicking on the device hotspot connection button, select Join. Now we're on the next screen where it's working on connecting to everything.
Robot and phone connected.
Good update there.
To app to wait for the result.
There we go, the app is updating now. And your device is connecting to the network. That's the last thing we're waiting on there.
Network connected successfully.
There we go. Let's wait for the app to catch up.
Back into dock before starting tasks. When hearing start charging, it means the installation is in place.
There we go. Now we can select Finished. We're back in the app. Don't worry, we didn't set up the P10. It just doesn't go to the device, at least for us, which is a little bit goofy. But there it is. Our device is all set up and ready to go. That's it. It's simple and straightforward. Now you can update firmware as needed. You can go enter in and also create your first map. But that's it. That's your initial setup. Now you're ready to start using it.